last 3 and 4 days I am suffering from cold.
Ah, yeah, it is. Yes, it causes a lot of discomfort, right? Whenever you have cold, you can't speak
Yeah,
well,
and
you
I'm
can't eat well.
yeah, yeah, absolutely right.
I think it's because of the weather. Is it very cold?
Yeah, it's freezing. It's freezing like cold. Yeah, too much cold here.
Okay, okay. So tell me, where do you live?
Yeah, I live in UP.
UP. Okay. So it is cold there. Okay. But here it has already
Yeah.
started. It is very sunny here. Only in the
Where are you
night.
from? Ma'am?
I'm from Karnataka.
Oh, Karnataka. So is there no cold?
There was winter for about 5 or 6 days, that's all. And nights are usually
There-
cold, but daytime is very, very sunny here.
Okay, but here
Not
is too
cold at
cold.
all.
January and December are really cold. Too much cold. It's an unbearable cold, I would say.
So what is the average temperature?
I think 10.
Oh my God, that's really cold.
Too
Oh,
cold.
okay, okay. So tell me more about yourself. What do you do?
Okay, yeah, sure, ma'am. So my name is Arshi, and I am from UP, Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my academic, so I have completed my master in chemistry, and simultaneously I did B.Ed. After completing my study, I took 2 years gap, and then I started to work. But unfortunately, I started work only for 1 year. Then I left my job. There, where I was working, there were some issues with me, so I left my job. But apart from that, I'm giving tuition at my home. Sorry, ma'am. I am a chemist. I used to be a chemistry teacher. I used to be chemistry subject 9 to 12th standard. Yeah, but right now I'm giving tuition at my home, and along with that, I'm learning this language, full dedication and full focus. And also, I have created my YouTube channel
Oh.
where I am uploading conversation videos. Last, I think 1.5 month I have created. So yeah, that's all about me.
Okay. Any specific reason why you started your YouTube channel?
Ma'am, there is no specific reason. I just want to I just want to create environment. Like I just want to talk on video call. So I think when we talk on video call, so that time there is one option available to record yourself. So I record my video, and then I analyze my video, and then I upload on the internet, on the YouTube. Someone get
Okay.
the benefit from my video, maybe. So that was the reason. Otherwise, there is no other reason. I just want to improve myself.
That is good. So, is there any challenges that you are facing in your English learning or speaking, anything?
Yeah, ma'am. I face so many challenges. Like when I talk, so I have a difficulty to find right word at the right time. I know many words, but when it comes to use in the conversation, so that time I feel that my mind goes blank and I don't have words to speak. So that is my major problem, and I'm trying to I'm trying to tackle this problem, but still I am facing this challenge. I'm facing this problem.
Hmm. Have you considered doing any writing practice?
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm not into in writing practice because ma'am, it's really taking time, and it's really consuming time. So that's why and also I don't feel. I feel like bored when when I do writing, but I am thinking to implement this habit in my routine.
Also, because writing is also one of the forms of output, just generating your
Yeah,
thoughts, whatever you have already in your mind. So, after taking your input, whatever you have consumed, to put that out, writing is also one of
yeah,
the ways, and speaking is the other way. While writing, you have so much time so that you can think and bring out the best in yourself, your words, whatever you
yeah,
have learned. You can think, you can, erase it off and rewrite, you can improvise, but speaking is spontaneous. So,
Yeah.
right, immediately it is difficult for you to get thoughts while speaking. But while writing, it
Yeah.
is you have your own time. So that way you'll just condition
Yeah.
your mind, and you will remember things for a longer time. And when you're speaking, that will help you.
Yeah, yeah, I'm sure. Absolutely. I sometime I do like once in a week, in a month, in a month, twice in a month.